Doc, pwede po bang gumamit ng high-frequency wand while purging on isotretinoin? So guys, ganito kasi yung premise niya. No? Pag nagpa-purge tayo, ibig sabihin nag-work yung mga topicals and oral medications natin. Ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon po ng increased cellular turnover yung ating balat. So na-unravel po yung balat natin. No? So mas bago yung mga skin cells na pumupunta sa skin surface. And pag bago po yung mga skin cells, medyo mas sensitive po sila. And also, isotretinoin itself can increase skin sensitivity kasi it can cause your skin to become thinner, drier, and more fragile. And this can actually increase the risk of irritation, burns, dryness, and also post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from using high-frequency wands. And also, some studies suggest, no, pag nagtitake tayo ng isotretinoin, medyo naapektuhan po yung wound healing. Kaya guys, if ever nagkaroon tayo ng micro-traumas or micro-injuries sa paggamit ng high-frequency wand, baka matagalan or baka ma-delay po yung resolution ng pag-heal ng mga microtrauma. And if ever nag-generate man ito ng inflammation, baka mas matagal mag-resolve yung inflammation. So, syempre guys, as a standard, pag naka-isotretinoin po ang patients, dapat po talaga nagsi-skincare or gumagamit ng mga active anti-acne ingredients yung pasyente. And as you know naman, yung mga high-frequency ones uses electrical currents that may further irritate and cause further dryness sa ating balat. And pag nagiging dry po yung ating balat, nako-compromise po yung skin barrier, and baka magkaroon tayo ng increased risk of irritation sa mga topicals na ginagamit natin or yung mga active ingredients na ginagamit natin sa ating balat. And if you get irritated with the things that you're using sa face ninyo, then you increase inflammation and you might actually further fuel more purging. So ayaw na ayaw kasi natin talaga guys na magdala ng more inflammation sa ating purging skin. Kasi guys, dala ng inflammation yung mga inflammatory chemicals, and very sensitive po yung mga hyperactive sebaceous glands natin sa mga inflammatory chemicals na ito. If nagkaroon pa ng exacerbation or paglala ng inflammation, mas lalong ma-activate yung mga sebaceous glands natin, mas lalo silang magpo-produce ng mga comedones na siya namang magpo-fuel ng even more purging. For me guys, hindi ko pina-advise ang paggamit ng high-frequency wands for patients if you want to resolve purging po. So in terms of purging guys, in my opinion, the right way to approach it is through your strategic combination of your right topical and oral medications. So guys, if nagpo-purging kayo, ipaalam niyo po agad sa inyong board-certified dermatologist. But if patient ko po kayo and you think that you're purging, please let me know right away para ma-start natin ang anti-purging protocol para ma-resolve natin ang purging ninyo as soon as possible. And by the way guys, meron tayong live sa March 15 from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Sana po ay makapag-join kayo. Ilalagay ko po dito yung link. Free po yung registration and sana makapag-register kayo para ma-notify kayo when I finally go live this March 15. Alright guys, so for more acne tips, follow me and basta acne, DMD. Bye!